Here is the all-new, high-performance MeLE Overclock X5 Mini PC. Upon opening the box, you'll find a user manual, Overclock X5 Mini PC, UL plug, power adapter, a bag of screws, thermal silicone pad, Visa mount bracket. These are all the accessories included in the packaging. Now, let's take a look at the port design. The front features a power button. On the right side, there are 3 USB ports, a micro SD card slot, a 3.5mm headphone and microphone jack. The back is more equipped with 2 gigabit Ethernet port, a 3.5mm audio output jack, 2 USB-C ports, 2 HDMI ports, a BIOS reset button. Power input port supports 19V/6.32A. On the left side, you'll find a Kensington security lock slot. The bottom features Visa mounting holes for easy bracket installation. Let's open the bottom cover and take a look at the internal structure. It features 2 DDR4 memory slots, supporting up to 64 GB, allowing for flexible upgrades based on your needs. There are also 2 M.2 SSD slots, supporting both NVMe and SATA SSDs, offering versatile storage expansion options. Whether you're looking to boost performance or expand storage, this device has you covered.